Let's talk about the real benefits of chia seeds. See, if we talk about omega-3, it is believed that it is good for the heart. It thins the blood, and that's why fish is recommended, especially fatty fish, because they have a very high level of omega-3. Now, the question is, people say chia seeds have more omega-3 than fish, so then, what's the difference? See, the omega-3 that is found in chia seeds is not the active form of omega-3 that is considered anti-inflammatory. The active omega-3 that our body can actually use is called DHA, but the type found in chia seeds is called ALA. And yes, it's true that chia seeds have the highest amount of ALA. This is actually the form before DHA is made, meaning it's the precursor or raw material of DHA, which the body has to convert into the active form. Now the question is, how much ALA gets converted into DHA? The answer is, very little, only up to 0.5%. Now let's move to the next point, eggs. One medium-sized egg has about 7 grams of protein, while chia seeds have about 4 grams of protein. So the question is, are these two the same? No, they're not. Because the protein in eggs is considered the most bioavailable protein, meaning the body can easily use it. Actually, the truth is, the number one most bioavailable protein is mother's milk. Then comes eggs, then meat, then fish. But plant-based proteins like those in chia seeds come quite low on this list. I searched a lot, looked everywhere, but I couldn't find how bioavailable chia seed protein really is. Now, chia seeds also contain vitamin E, a little bit of vitamin C, B vitamins, calcium, phosphorus, potassium, and magnesium. If you look at the research on this, chia seeds are considered cardioprotective, meaning they protect the heart, lower blood pressure, are good for the brain, and also make the blood slightly thinner. But the biggest benefit of chia seeds is their soluble fiber. See what I do. I take 2 tablespoons of chia seeds, put them in half a cup of water, stir a little, and leave them for a while, until they swell up and form a gel. After that, I take a bowl of yogurt, unsweetened yogurt made at home without sugar. Then I add some walnuts, almonds, figs, and the chia gel that was prepared in water separately. Mix them all together. It makes a very tasty pudding. But the real benefit is hidden in this gel. This gel is soluble fiber. It's like a blessing for your microbiome, that is, the good bacteria in your gut. This gel is their food. They eat it, convert it into energy, and this energy becomes the fuel for the cells of your large intestine. If your gut has inflammation, then this chia seed gel is very beneficial. And if you suffer from constipation, it also gives relief. Now, some people say that chia seeds contain lectins, which can irritate the colon. But don't worry. The level of lectins in chia seeds is very low, so there is no danger. And this gel doesn't just have fiber. It also has polyphenols, which are plant nutrients. These are the things your gut microbes love to eat. The real benefit is that you are feeding these tiny microbes their favorite food. And in return, they indirectly help you. Your mood, your energy, and your overall health are all connected to your gut microbiome. That's why I recommend that you include chia seeds regularly in your diet, along with other foods that feed these microbes, like fermented vegetables, vinegar-based pickles, homemade yogurt, kefir, sauerkraut, pickles, kimchi, etc. And one more thing, don't grind chia seeds. Use them whole, soaked in water. The Aztecs have been using them for a very long time. It's an ancient superfood. That's all for today's video. Take care of yourself.